Okay, so this is the screen capture for the Alpha Team Provisio site. Here we have the landing page. It has a menu bar at the top with the logo, some navigation. When you go over them, they light up, basically. One or two of them are a drop down. It's fairly simple design, designed to catch the eye. I thought that our teammate who did this did a very good job on it. It looks excellent. And then this page is mostly static. There is one small interactive feature. So jumping from there, let's go to the login page. Or no, let's go to the registration page, actually. Okay, so we're going to register a new user here. And we'll name them test user. And we'll test that the password functionality works correctly first. So we'll enter the password. We'll just make it password, all lowercase, password. And you'll notice if they don't match, that it will tell you that they don't match. This test user at example.com. Okay, so we're testing now that the application actually checks that the password meets requirements. So let's click it and see if it gives us an error. It does. Password does not meet requirements. Okay, so we'll change it to something that does meet requirements. We'll do password again with a capital P and a $sign at the end. Let's click join and see if it works. It does. So we designed that functionality so that when you register, it also logs you in so that you can immediately begin doing whatever you would like to do. And then we're back on the landing page here, and you can see that it greets you with the user's name exactly as they entered it. Moving forward from there, we'll go on to the About Us page. In this one, it's a static page, so there's not a lot of interactivity, but we designed it so that it has a nice quadrant view. We thought that looked nice. If you scroll down, there's the contact info. This will also be the Contact Us page that we're covering here, since that was merged into this. These are clickable, so when you do anchors or hyperlinks in HTML, if you use the prefix instead of HTTP or HTTPS or mail to, if you put tel, TEL, : it gives you a clickable phone number. So if you have like Skype or something on your computer and you click on that, then it will bring you to the call screen. It's got a clickable email link as well. Not a whole lot to this static page. So moving forward from there, we have the locations page. And then this shows you just the different locations that we have and some of the popular attractions in the area around it. If you click on one of them, I want to go skiing, click book here. It'll take you to the reservation page. So we said we wanted to go skiing, so we'll pick Alpine Haven Ski Lodge. And then you'll notice on this one here, for the check-in and check-out dates, it actually enforces that you can't pick a date that's before today. So let's make it a weekend trip. Let's do, for me it's tomorrow, because where I'm at. Okay, so I'll do that. And then I want it to be a long weekend. We'll check out on Monday. It brings us down, asks us which room we'd like to use here, which room we'd like to book. We'll go with a single king bed. It asks us if we'd like any amenities here. Let's do Wi-Fi and breakfast. It's a ski resort, so I don't think I'll be driving a whole lot in the snow. I've always lived in tropical environments, so I don't exactly know how. So we won't need parking. So then we'll put in the guest one name. This one is required in the HTML, so if I remove it, click review and book, it's going to say please fill out this field. If you want to add an additional guest, you can. You can keep clicking this until up to 5 guests. If you don't enter anything though, it will just ignore it. And then it tells us how many points that we'll earn for this trip. So if we click review and book, takes us forward to the confirmation page. It shows us our reservation details here, everything that we entered before, sums it all up, and then you can click cancel, which will take you back to the home page, but we don't want to do that right now. Or we can click confirm reservation. If we click that, it then gives us a nice status notification here that it's been booked, and it gives us a reservation ID as well that we could use to look up later. This is actually a UUID, a universally unique identification. They're pretty easy to generate in Java, which is what we use to the back end. If anyone has any questions about that, you can reach out to me. They're pretty cool, actually. I like using them for stuff like this because they're not easy to guess, like integers and big integers that are sequential in an SQL database. So from there, the only thing that we haven't covered so far would be the login page. So we'll go ahead and log out. This button here only appears if you're logged in. If you're not, it won't appear. It tells us we've been successfully logged out, so we'll go to the login page. And delete the autofilled stuff there. I'll enter the user info that we did before, testuser@example.com. The password was password with a capital P, and then a $sign at the end. Log us in, and it takes us back to the home page. And that's pretty much the gist of how this website works. It's not huge, but I like a lot of the functionality we've got. It was written in the backend in Spring, Java with Spring. So if anyone is curious about the backend, I can go over that as well. Just send me a message or an email, and I'd be happy to discuss it with you. Anyways, this has been our overview of the functionality of the website for the Alpha Team Provisio project. Thanks for joining us and watching.